Abarai korua ase chikaunti bere chiagusi eria Kisii County amone eria ya Nyamira lero nigo baira chingaki chiabene gukwanira abananchi be chikaunti echio igoro yebirengo bigendete gukina byoburwire bwa COVID-19 imeye county ya Kisii murubiri iyo nigora abono mu governor bwe county ga James Elvis Omaribongwae bakubwaterana amono mu county commissioner Alan Masharia chingaki echio ase county ya Nyamira nigo murubiri yora wano mu county commissioner Amos Mariba baigo asebabwaterana no mu county secretary James Ntabo.
Na ukivunja sheria sio kupelekwa quarantine. Ukivunja sheria si unafikishwa kotini. Ama siku hizi ukivunja sheria ni quarantine. Ya Sironga tulisahau hizo quarantine. So watu watapelekwa kotini lakini kuna masharti.
It is a third wave, isn't vile tumeelezewa. So we are going back to where we were before the third wave came about. Ni janga ambalo limekuja na kishindo. Kwa hivyo ni kurudia ya kwamba lazima sisi wote wafanyikazi, watu wa Nyamira tuchukue tuweke mikakati mizuri kuhakikisha kwamba social distance is kept, masks zinavalizwa, watu ambao wanakuja kwa maofisi ni wale wanataka essential services na wale watu watakuwa kwa ofisi wa wafanyikazi wa county government, and I'm sure even the national government is the same message because we are the same people facing the same problem.
What we are reminding our people is that in addition to the measures that have been put in place, the basic 3-point rule, that is the social distance, the wearing of masks, and the frequent washing of our hands.
Esibali mubwate chiba igonta getemba tebinga nyamuri gusika kinse isanto timocha kubwatio de bwenzi kiagera measures to kubeka in place are very serious measures. Ese karamu uyo minta atonyorire igendo wekoro funerals igo directives kiarwe unga abantu mbaba ise gwetani emiyemo igo nko basaba kimuranja bagusiba minto esi funerals ikiga abantu mbaetani emiyemo ntagete gotebya abakori egasi ba Kisii County na security officers na abarimu tuanyorire COVID-19 vaccines togendre teko kobeta balia bakorega esinyagitari togokora ngoso batore security officers togokora ntoso abarimu igo mogendere gotebwa